Hey guys, Brennan here from Gaming with JBJ, and today we're going to learn how to mod. And in this episode of Mod Learning, we're going to learn how to create custom items. So to create a custom item, you'll have to do ModPE dot set item. You got to learn how to spell it first. Set item. Then a parenthesis like that, an opening parenthesis, and the parameters it supports here is it would be ID of the item you're making, the texture name of the um item you're making, and then the next one, texture damage, and then the name of your item. So you want to close that off like that. So for the ID right over here, for the ID, we'll go straight to 500. We don't want to override any block item ID, so we'll just do 500, and that's not an ID in Minecraft Pocket Edition, but if you make it 500, then that'll be an ID. And then the texture name, for the texture name, we'll have to go into a website made by Zooey himself, that makes Block Launcher, and we'll have to scroll all the way down, away from all the block textures, all the way down to where it says items, which is right close, right there by the the apple. So for our texture name, how about we do why not a gas tier? So you see, there's that. We'll have to do gas tier and then 0. So let's come into here, and then here, gas tier, and then in that, and then for the texture damage, that's what you saw on the website. It said gas tier, 0. For here, we'll have to say what it said after the gas tier, so that would be 0. So then, the name of this item that we're making, how about we name it gas tier of, let's not name that. Let's name it first item. Even though it's not my first item, it's you guys' first item. So that's how you make a custom item. And for you to use the item, so if you want it to, like, if you use the item, like if you touch a block with it and you want it to say something, you want to do function. A function can explain itself. It's what it, yeah. You'll want to do function use item, and then an opening parenthesis. Then you want to do X, Y, Z, item, ID, block, ID, side, data. And that's what you'll have to do to make a, well, not really, hang on, side data. And, that's basically saying, it's if you touch a block at XYZ at, then it uses that. And then we'll have to do if item ID equals 500. That's basically saying if the item ID equals 500, then like the use item, and then it says only if the item ID equals 500, and then we'll do a client message. That's basically a message in the chat. Minecraft will put a message in the chat, so we'll do client message. Let's have it named, let's say, you used your first item. So when we tap on a block with our first item, then it'll say that. And then let's fix that. Okay, you use your first item, and then make sure you close them off. And every line of code on JavaScript, except for functions and if statements, will close off with a semicolon. You gotta remember to do that. And then we'll have to close off the where is my cursor? Whoa, why am I here? I don't know. Okay, I'm here. Give me here. And then we'll have to do over here, we'll have to close off the functions and the if statements we did with closing squirrely brackets. And that's how you create a custom block. And then if we save this, and then we, nope, not Chrome. And then if we go in block launcher please. Whoops, there we go. Okay, give me this. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, and then if we hit launcher option, it enable ModPE script support, and go into local storage, and go wherever you saved it. In that case, it would be this mod hut, and it'll be saved. And then if we go on a if we make a new world, you can use your item in an already new world, but why not? And we come on. You see, I have my command mod loaded here. We're on my new world, and then if you have my command mod enabled, you can do /give 500, and will give me 64 of it. And it says given 64 of 500, and as you can see, we have our guest here, and it is named. See, we tap on it. First item, as you can see. So that's how you make an item, and then if we tap on a block, it says you used your first item, as you can see. And then we can even walk over here, maybe like, let's go right here, why not? And click at it, it says you used your first item. And that's how you make an item. It's very cool, isn't it? And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be giving more modding tutorials. Next tutorial, we're going to learn how to make custom blocks. So if you want to learn how to make those, then please do like. And if we get over, then at least, I'll make a new video soon. So if you did like this video, please do like. And this is the first video seen by Gaming with JBJ. Do subscribe. We'll be doing some of these and gaming and Clash of Clans. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye guys. Bye.